Hey guys, we're back for part two. First pack openings were pretty decent. Not the best, but let's go on to the last 8. So, let's begin. Let's see what we got here. Haunted Fengraf, Artful Dodge, Dawntreader Elk, Reap the Seagraph, Divination. We got a Grim Flowering, Warden of the Wall, Burning Oil, and nice, we got a Mikaeus, the Unhallowed, Mythic. And we got a Loyal Cathar, which isn't that bad. Alright, continue Dark Ascension. We got 2 Mythics so far, one being decent, one being pretty good. That's a pretty good foil. Okay. Got a Tragic Slip, nice. Got a Young Wolf. Got an Evolving Wilds. First uncommon is Tracker's Instincts. Wake Dancer is pretty cool. And the rare is Hellrider, which is really cool. And the foil is Markov Blademaster, foil rare. That's awesome. And a Hinterland Hermit. So that was pretty good pulls. That was pretty much worth it. So far so good. This is starting out pretty good. Let's go Addison. Ew. Cool foil, but not the best. Ew. Bunch of crap. Gloom Widow, Gold Knight Commander, Barter and Blood, and the rare is Tybalt. Nice, that's pretty cool. And a foil Pathbreaker Worm. So I got my 5th Tybalt, Barter and Blood, and a Pathbreaker Worm. That's pretty cool. So I got my Tybalts now. I can easily make decks with him. So let's continue. Not bad. Come on, something beastly. I can't get that open. No foil. I always check my foils first because I love foils. Got an Abundant Growth. Got a Thunderous Wrath, Archangel, Triumph of Ferocity, and a Zealous Conscripts. Very nice. That's awesome. Pretty good pulls so far. I'm liking this. I was gonna get my 4th one today at the place I went to, and instead of buying it, I just pulled it. So pretty good. We got a Thatcher Revolt. That's pretty good, actually. Alright, first uncommon is Lightning Prowess. Kessig Malcontents is awesome. Nephalia Smuggler, and the rare is Gisela. Nice, that's pretty solid. Having some good pulls now. Sweet. So we got 2 Mythics, a Hellrider, and a Conscripts. It's awesome. Good pulls. I'm already pretty much satisfied with my trading, so this is awesome. That's pretty cool foil. Got a Butcher Ghoul, Cathedral Sanctifier, the first uncommon is Vanishment, Vessel of Endless Rest, Nephalia Smuggler, and a Rite of Ruin. Not the best. And a Galvanic Alchemist foil. Pretty cool. Token, shit, land. Okay. Let's go Dark Ascension. Maybe I'll get a Huntmaster. I traded one in, so maybe we'll get one back. Pretty cool foil. Tragic Slip, nice. Crushing Vines, nice. Young Wolf, Evolving Wilds. First uncommon is Diregraph Captain. Or second one. First one was Howlbend Spirit. Blood Feud, and the rare is Increasing Savagery. That's awesome, that card. And a Chant of Skifsang foil. That's awesome. Okay, that goes there. And alright, last pack. Let's do it. Should be cracking this baby. Any foils? No. No foils. Okay. Let's do it. Ghostly Flicker. Pillar of Flame, Got a Golden Knight Redeemer. Eaten by Spiders. Builder's Blessing, and the rare is Revenge of the Hunted. That's pretty cool. I traded one in, so I got it back. So, those are pretty good pulls. I'm going to get a little close to the camera and show you guys again. Almost fell over. Got a Nibbles of the Mist foil, Revenge of the Hunted, foil Enchanted Skiffsang, Increasing Savagery, Rite of Ruin, Galvanic Alchemist, Gisela, Zealous Conscripts, Tybalt, Pathbreaker Worm foil, Markout Blademaster foil, Hellrider, Machias, Angels of Glory's Rise, Temporal Mastery, Increasing Devotion, Riders of Gavany, Mirror of Everbrook, Undead Alchemist, Markout Blademaster, Killing Wave, and Wild Defiance. Pretty good pulls. I'm very satisfied. It was really enjoyable. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 mythics, which is pretty good. 4 out of 16 packs. It's pretty damn good. And I got my uncommons and commons back, so I'm totally satisfied. So, see you guys later. Have a good night.